Oh yeah, time to do a little update. I was hitting the dirt the other day, hitting the water. As you can see, my chain's a little rusty. I'm gonna go ahead and make a little cleanup video, but this is my new rear tire. This is, I don't know if you can see that right there. It says SR254. SR244. It is a trail tire. It is a tubed tire, and it's called the Golden Boy. Yep. And only you can guess who makes it. There it is. It's a 5.10, 5.10, 18 rim. Yep, Shienko makes this. If you can't guess that, let me see. Max speed. I don't know if you can tell on that, but there's the max speed rating. 84 miles an hour or something like that. 94 miles an hour or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, this is the Golden Boy. As you can see, it's nice and beefy. It's all beef. Look at these lugs. Look at this, just beef. Even on the side. There, look at this, it's grip. Oh, this is just grip. Tire was around 40 to 50 bucks, depending where you get it at. I got front and back tires, super cheap, about $105 shipped. So that's the rear. Man, it just looks nice. Just can't wait to hit some real good dirt. That's the rear, and here is the front. The front, of course, is a Shienko. I would only do Shienko the way Shienko does me. I do it right. It's E-705, super common. I had this on my 600 Supermoto in the front, or a Motar, whatever you want to call it. Pretty much, this is an 80/20 street tire. It is not really meant for dirt, but luckily for me, majority of the dirt riding, you steer with the rear tire with your throttle. So this just provides a little bit of traction. As you can see, the lugs are not that big. They're real wide. The gaps are real narrow, made for the street. Good for rain now. These last couple of days of rain, I mean, completely just hammered this CRF. But as you can see, it's a 990, of course, by 21. Speed rating is a 54H. Super nice. This is a tubeless tire, and it is called a Trailmaster. Yep, Trailmaster. This is by Shienko. I fill up both my tires to a really respectable 35 PSI in the tubes. But that's pretty much update. So there it is. I got the E-705 on the front, 990 by 21, and in the back I got the 510 by 18. I got the Shienko 244 Golden Boy. Oh man, I love this thing. This thing, front tire was just too aggressive. That's why I didn't get it, but I just keep on. I love how they called it the Golden Boy. Deuces.